Scientists have been creating and discovering things for a long time, and, sometimes even by complete accident. Because of this, scientists has had to invent a number of tools and tests in order to figure out what they've created. In particular, chemists have to figure out what elements are in the compound they've made. Elements being a type of atom such as iron, magnesium, so on and so forth. Now, there are many methods of doing so, but most are either time-intensive or require specialized machinery. So we'll be doing one of the oldest ones, flame chromatography. Flame chromatography was invented back in the 1800s by Kirchhoff and Bunsen, who also invented the Bunsen burner. What happens is you get a sample of the material and you put it in a flame to see what color it burns. Now, this works because of atomic structure. What happens is the atoms get the energy from the heat and they bump an electron up to a higher shell, and then when the electron falls back down to its original position, it gives off energy in the form of light. Now, because each atom is structured differently, it absorbs and emits light in different ways, and thus produces different colors. Now, for our experiment, we have two samples. We have table salt and Epsom salts. They look the same, but they have very different properties. So, in order to figure out which one goes on your food and which goes in the bath, we're going to do this little experiment. Okay. Now, if I grab our first sample and light it, we notice it burns a very nice yellow color. Now, this is the indicator of sodium, and thus it's our table salt. So, but just to be sure, we're going to light sample 2, and we can see it burns magnesium white. So that one is our Epsom salts. Neat, huh? Now, you can do this experiment yourself at home, using all sorts of interesting different chemicals. There's the diet salt, which is a nice potassium purple. There is borax, which is a yellow-green, and there's copper chlorate, which is a nice lime green. Now, there are advantages and disadvantages. It's quick, easy, and fun. However, it only shows you if there is the element in the compound, not how much or anything else about it. But yes, have a good day.